Is it the right time to buy or sell SPY ETF? In this video, we will delve deep into SPY. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, December 4, 2023, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. Stay informed about any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and get free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since November 2, 2023, our system has ranked SPY as a hold/accumulate, with a score of 0.10. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. Surprisingly, the stock has exceeded our expectations, showing a gain of 6.04% since we first recommended buying SPY 22 days ago. This means that on average, it has been generating a return of 0.27% per day since it was listed as hold/accumulate. The ETF is currently in the upper part of a wide and weak rising trend in the short term. This presents a potentially good selling opportunity for short-term traders, as we can expect a reaction back towards the lower part of the trend. However, if the ETF breaks above the top trend line at $459.28, it would indicate a stronger rate of rising. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a potential 2.53% change expected over the next 3 months. This means that the ETF could have a return between -6.79% and 3.11%. In terms of the 12-month trend, there is a projected 15.87% change over the next year. This leads to a potential return between 5.79% and 16.55%. In other words, the price could range from $483.15 to $532.25 after a year. Our latest update on the SPY ETF brings a headline that states, "Weaker technical forecast for SPY as ETF downgraded to hold/accumulate." On the last trading day, Monday, December 4, 2023, the price of the SPY ETF experienced a decrease of 0.525%, dropping from $459.10 to $456.69. Throughout the day, the ETF fluctuated by 1.05%, ranging from a low of $454.34 to a high of $459.12. In the past 10 days, the price has risen in 6 instances, resulting in an overall increase of 1.31% over the past 2 weeks. Notably, the trading volume also decreased alongside the ETF, which is considered a positive sign, as volume tends to follow the ETF. Specifically, the trading volume dropped by 11 million shares on the last day, with a total of 67 million shares being bought and sold, equivalent to approximately $30.76 billion in value. Over the course of the past 52 weeks, the highest recorded price for the ETF was $459.65, while the lowest price reached $374.77. Presently, the price is 0.64%, equivalent to $2.96, below the 52-week high, and 4.85%, equivalent to $23.29, below the all-time high on January 4, 2022, when it reached $479.98. In this video, we'll be discussing the signals that have been identified for SPY. The SPY ETF has received buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal from the relation between these two signals, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. In case of downward corrections, the stock is expected to find support at $455.91 and $438.12. However, if the stock breaks below these levels, sell signals will be triggered. It's important to note that some negative signals have also been observed, which may have an impact on the near short-term development. Specifically, a sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Friday, December 1, 2023, resulting in a decline of -0.525% so far. Further decline is indicated until a new bottom pivot is identified. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. On the last trading day, the volume decreased along with the price, reducing the overall risk as volume tends to follow price movements. On Monday, March 27, 2023, the ETF had a golden star signal in the long-term chart. This signal occurs when the short-term moving average, the long-term moving average, and the price line align in a special combination. Such a combination is rare and often followed by significant and sustained gains for the ETF in question. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. The moving average convergence divergence is indicating a sell signal. Pivots have shown a sell signal 2 days ago. Bollinger Bands have given a buy signal 13 days ago. The short-term moving average has signaled a buy 25 days ago. The long-term moving average has also shown a buy signal 23 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 20 days ago. Now, let's take a look at the 12-month chart. The short moving average signaled a buy 23 days ago. The long-term moving average also indicated a buy signal 17 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages showed a buy signal 6 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us for more signals. Today, we'll be discussing support, risk, and stop-loss levels for SPY. Let's start with the downside. Currently, the ETF finds support just below today's level at $429.54 and $426.43. Support levels are important because they indicate areas where the ETF has previously found buying interest. However, if the current support level is broken, the ETF may fall to the next support level. In this case, the next support levels for SPY would be at $429.54, $426.43, and $412.55. It's worth noting that SPY tends to have controlled movements and offers good liquidity, making the risk associated with this stock relatively low. In fact, the ETF's volatility has been quite stable. Over the last day, it moved $4.78 between its high and low, which represents a 1.05% price fluctuation. Looking at the past week, the ETF has had an average daily volatility of 0.86%. Today, we're going to explore some potential day trading levels for SPY. If the market is on an upward trend, keep an eye on the first resistance level at $459.10 for SPY. If you don't currently own any shares, it might be wise to wait until this level is surpassed before entering a position. However, if you're already holding the stock, this could be a level worth considering for swing trading. On the flip side, if the market experiences a dip, SPY will encounter its first support level at $429.54. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, with the potential for a rebound. Our recommended stop-loss is set at $440.43, which represents a decrease of 3.56%. This ETF generally experiences minimal daily price fluctuations, making it a lower-risk option. However, it's important to note that the RSI 14 is currently at 82, which significantly increases the level of risk involved. Additionally, we have identified a sell signal from a pivot top that was observed just 1 day ago. Is SPY ETF a good buy? While SPY holds several positive signals, we believe it is not yet a strong buy candidate. At the current level, it should be considered as a hold candidate or accumulate in this position while we await further development. We have downgraded our analysis conclusion for this ETF from a buy to a hold/accumulate candidate due to some small weaknesses in the technical picture. After analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Tuesday, December 5th, we expect SPY to open up $0.0269 and start trading at $456.72. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading comes with a risk of losing money. It's always a good idea to consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Please note that StockInvest.us is not a reliable source for making investment choices. By using the information provided, you agree to take full responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest, where we provide you with a current view of the stock market. We value your opinion, so don't forget to comment below and share your thoughts. What target do you have in mind for the ETF? We appreciate your support, so remember to like and subscribe to our channel. Our team here at Stock Invest wishes you successful trading and a wonderful day. Thank you for joining us.